to his friend's house, Tim. You guys met Tim? Perhaps. I'm not sure. I don't remember. Anyway, Tim's cat had 4 babies on Easter, and we might be adopting one. I think I have Matt mostly convinced. But we're gonna go meet them now. Matt already got to meet them, and he sent me really cute videos. I'll insert them now.
Stupid little gatos. Little poofers. Little meow. Meow. Meow.
But I fell in love, and now I need to have one, and I did lots of research to convince Matt that it was financially feasible and totally reasonable. So now I think the only hurdle is picking which one I want, which I think I might already know, but I want to meet them and see if one of them loves me more than the others. Anyway, after that, whoever we choose has to meet the beast. So hopefully Zabu sees the baby cat and has some parental instincts that kick in and doesn't just want to murder kill it. I don't know, but that's going to be our biggest hurdle in this whole process. But I'm meeting them today, and then what is today? June 12th? June 12th?
Yeah.
It's June 12th. I leave to go on vacation. I'm going back to Iowa June 14th for like a week and a half for my sister's wedding. We get back June 25th, and I'm really hoping that on June 26th, I can bring home a little flooper pants. That's my goal. So, meet them today and see what happens. Oh my gosh. They're little ears. What do you think? Hmm? Okay, this is our little baby. This is our little baby. Ben, that's your baby. Do you see? That's your little lady right there. You know you love her. Oh my gosh. She's falling asleep. Oh, sleepy baby. Would you change your mind? What do you think? Oh, look at that one over by the door. Hi, Mama. This is Mama. Hi. Oh, hello. Did you have babies? Oh, you just want the pets, huh? Hi. Good baby. You wanna go somewhere else? I'll sit you here. Okay, we're gonna move. What are you guys doing? Oh my gosh. Hi, babies. Hey guys, so it is a couple days after I went to meet the kittens, and I'm obsessed. I'm 100% getting a kitten now. Like, there is no way. Matt should have known if he let me go meet them, there's no way that we weren't getting one. But still have to wait till I get back from my trip. It is now the 14th, so I'm about to leave. I gotta get on a plane in a few hours and head home for Zoe's wedding. But as soon as I get back, that little baby girl is gonna be mine. So apparently all the kittens are girls. So not exactly what I was expecting or planning, because I thought that we would get the boy gray kitten, but I'm okay with the girl. It'll be a new experience. I don't know if girl cats have a different personality or what their deal is, but like I said before, the biggest issue is gonna be my little chunky boy, and hopefully he accepts her over time, but it's gonna be a long road, a lot of keeping them separate, so it's not gonna be like we just release them to each other. That's not safe or smart. She still doesn't have any of her vaccinations, and she's not fixed, so we have a lot to accomplish before we are one big happy family, but we are going to give it our all. So I'm super excited. I hope you guys loved all the adorable kitten footage, and there will be more, I promise. I will show you guys the whole process of bringing her home and setting up her space and introducing her to Zabu. So yeah, if you want to watch me go through all the kitten stuff, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.